Every single day, millions of people type questions into ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity, and they never visit a single website. They just get the answer, instantly, directly, no clicking required. So here's the real question. If nobody is clicking on links anymore, where does your content even fit? The answer is AEO, Answer Engine Optimization, and right now in 2026, it is the most important thing you can learn for your online business. I'm going to show you exactly how it works, how AI engines actually find and use your content, and how you can start showing up in AI answers starting today. Whether you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, student, or someone who just wants to make money online, this video is your complete beginner guide to the future of search. Stay until the end, because the last section about the future of blogging in 2026 is going to seriously change how you think about content. Let's start simple. What exactly is AEO? AEO stands for Answer Engine Optimization. It means creating your content in a way that AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Google's AI overviews can easily read, understand, and use as an answer. Old SEO was about ranking on Google page 1. AEO is about being the answer. Think about it this way. When someone asks ChatGPT, what is the best way to make money with a blog in 2026, ChatGPT doesn't just make something up. It searches through massive amounts of content, finds the most trustworthy, well-structured, clear sources, and then builds its answer from those. If your blog post is well-structured, factual, and written clearly, it has a real chance of being the source ChatGPT pulls from. Now, how is AEO different from regular SEO? This is super important, so pay attention. SEO was about keywords. You'd stuff the right keywords into your article and hope Google ranks you on page 1. AEO is about meaning. It's about structuring your content so that an AI can clearly understand who it's for, what question it answers, and why it should be trusted. Keywords still matter, but context, structure, and clarity matter even more now. Here's why this matters so much right now in 2026. AI search is no longer the future, it's the present. By early 2026, over 40% of all information searches are happening inside AI tools, not on Google. ChatGPT alone has over 200 million weekly active users. Perplexity is growing faster than any search tool in history. Google itself launched AI overviews to stay competitive. If you're still only optimizing for old Google, you are already behind. But the good news? Most creators haven't adapted yet. This is your opportunity. Okay, so now you understand why AEO matters. Now let's get into how to actually do it. The foundation of AEO is content structure. AI engines are not human readers. They scan, parse, and analyze your content at machine speed. So your job is to make it easy for the AI to understand what your page is about, what problem it solves, and what the final answer is. The single most important structural element in AEO is the direct answer. Always answer the main question within the first 100 words of your article. If someone asks, "How does affiliate marketing work?" your article should answer that in 2 or 3 clear sentences right at the top. Use clear headings. Think of your H2s and H3s as questions your readers might ask, because AI engines read headings as signals for what each section answers. Use short paragraphs. 3 to 4 sentences maximum per paragraph. White space is your friend. Use bullet points and numbered lists for steps, tips, and facts. AI engines love structured information. It's easy to extract and use as a direct answer. And here's something most people completely ignore. Use FAQ sections at the end of every article. FAQs are literally gold for AEO. When someone asks a question in ChatGPT or Perplexity, those tools look specifically for Q&A formatted content. If your article has a question written out clearly, like, "What is affiliate marketing?" followed by a clear, concise answer, you are speaking AI's language. Aim for 5 to 8 FAQs per article. Use real questions your audience searches for. You can find these in Google's People Also Ask section, or just by asking ChatGPT itself. Now let's talk about writing style. Because this is where the human advantage comes in. Write the way you talk. Use conversational language, short sentences, real examples, actual emotions. AI engines in 2026 are trained specifically to identify authentic human writing versus generic robotic content, and they rate human-sounding content higher. Let me explain something that sounds technical, but is actually really simple. Semantic keywords. Old-school keyword stuffing was putting the same phrase over and over. Best coffee beans. Buy best coffee beans. Top best coffee beans 2024. That is dead. In 2026, AI engines understand context, meaning, and relationships between words. Semantics are related words and phrases that naturally belong together. They tell the AI the full context of your content. If you write about affiliate marketing, you should also naturally mention commissions, tracking links, conversion rates, niche selection, content strategy, and audience trust. When ChatGPT or Gemini reads your article and sees all these naturally connected concepts together, it understands your content is comprehensive, authoritative, and real. You don't need to stuff keywords, you need to write comprehensively about your topic, cover it fully, answer follow-up questions before they're asked. Now, and this is something really exciting, human writing has a huge advantage in the AEO era. In 2025 and 2026, the internet got flooded with AI-generated generic, soulless content, millions of articles that all sound exactly the same. AI search engines have gotten extremely good at detecting and down-ranking that generic content because it adds no real value. But original opinions, personal experience, real examples, honest reviews, and genuine human perspective, that stuff is gold right now. When you write a blog post and say, I tested this affiliate program for 3 months and here's what actually happened, that personal experience is something no AI can fake. And AI search engines are being specifically trained to surface original, experience-based content, because that's what real users actually want. Now let's talk about the AI tools you should actually be using to help your AEO strategy, because this is where it gets really practical. First, use ChatGPT itself to research questions. Ask it, what are the top 10 questions people ask about affiliate marketing for beginners? Then write content that answers all of them. Second, use Perplexity AI as a research tool. It shows you real-time web sources. You can see exactly what kind of content AI is currently citing and reverse engineer it. Third, use tools like Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, or Phrase. These help you optimize content for both traditional SEO and AEO at the same time. Fourth, use Google's Search Generative Experience and AI overviews to test your own content. Search your target question and see who Google's AI is citing. Study those pages. Fifth, use Claude or ChatGPT to help you add FAQs. Just paste your article and say, generate 8 FAQs that someone might ask after reading this article. Done. These tools are not here to replace your writing. They are here to make your strategy smarter and your content more complete. Now, let's quickly go through the most common AEO mistakes, because avoiding these alone can massively improve your results. Mistake number 1. Writing for Google bots instead of real humans. If your article sounds like a robot wrote it, AI search engines won't trust it either. Mistake number 2. Ignoring question-based headings. If your H2s say overview or introduction instead of actual questions, you're missing the biggest AEO opportunity. Mistake number 3. No expertise signals. AI engines look for who wrote this and why should I trust them. Add an author bio, credentials, and first-hand experience to every article. Mistake number 4. Slow loading pages. Perplexity and Google AI overviews crawl fast. If your site takes more than 3 seconds to load, you're being skipped, period. Mistake number 5. No internal linking strategy. AI engines crawl your entire website. When your pages are connected by topic through internal links, the AI sees your site as a topical authority. Let me show you real examples of AEO in action, because seeing this in practice is what makes everything click. Example 1. Imagine you have an affiliate marketing blog about the best email marketing tools for beginners. Old SEO approach. Write a 1,500-word article stuffed with best email marketing tools and hope to rank on page 1. AEO approach. Write a comprehensive 2,500-word guide that starts with a direct answer, uses question-based H2s, includes a comparison table, and ends with 10 FAQs. When someone types "best email marketing tools for beginners" into Perplexity right now, Perplexity scans for exactly that kind of comprehensive, FAQ-rich, clearly structured content. Your article becomes the source. Your affiliate links get the traffic. That's AEO working in real life. Example 2. A food blogger writing about how to make sourdough bread at home. AEO optimized version. Direct answer in first paragraph. Step-by-step numbered instructions, FAQ section covering common beginner mistakes, and a personal story about their first failed loaf. When someone asks Google's AI overview or ChatGPT, "How do I make sourdough bread?" the AI reads structured step-by-step content, and that food blogger gets credited as the source. Now, what does this mean for the future of blogging? Because this is the part that changes everything. In 2026, blogging is not dead, but generic blogging is dead. The bloggers who are winning are the ones who become trusted sources that AI engines cite. The opportunity right now is enormous because most bloggers and content creators are still using 2019 strategies in a 2026 world. YouTube channels that structure their video descriptions and transcripts for AEO are showing up in AI answers. Podcasters who publish detailed episode show notes are getting cited. Affiliate marketers who build comprehensive resource hubs are dominating. The content game is shifting from volume to authority. One incredible, comprehensive, well-structured article beats 10 mediocre ones every single time. All right, we're at the end. But I want to leave you with something that matters. A lot of people hear about AEO and think, "This sounds complicated. I'll start later." But later is exactly how you miss the window. The best time to adapt to AEO was a year ago. The second best time is today. Here's your simple AEO action plan. Ready? Write this down. Step 1. Take your best existing article and rewrite the opening paragraph to directly answer the main question in 2 sentences. Step 2. Rewrite your H2 headings as questions. Change "Introduction to Affiliate Marketing" to "What is affiliate marketing and how does it work?" Step 3. Add a FAQ section at the bottom of that article. Use ChatGPT to generate 8 questions your readers might ask. Answer each one in 3 to 4 sentences. Step 4. Check your author bio. Make sure it explains who you are, what experience you have, and why someone should trust your content. Step 5. Test yourself. Go to Perplexity AI and search the exact question your article is meant to answer. See who gets cited, study what they're doing, match it, beat it. Those 5 steps alone, done consistently across your best content, will start moving you into the AI citation game. The tools are more accessible than ever, the audience is growing every single month, and the creators who show up with structured, trustworthy, human-first content are going to own this era. You don't need to be the smartest, you don't need the biggest budget, you just need to understand how the game is being played and play it better. AEO is not just a technique, it is a mindset shift. Start thinking about every piece of content as an answer to a real question from a real person, and AI will start amplifying your voice. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me, what is the first article you are going to optimize for AEO? I read every single comment. Hit subscribe if you want more content about AEO, SEO in 2026, blogging strategy, and building a real online income. And I'll see you in the next one.